This is our AeromatiCo. It's a really neat machine. These guys have done a fantastic job. So simple. You just open the lid, you throw in your stuff. You can put in about a half a gallon of material every day. And so the purpose of this machine is to use up the household waste that people are producing, the vegetable matters, your peelings and your cores and stuff like that. It's a super simple system to just take care of that. And we're going to do what we call the bean corn test. And we're going to have some bean seeds that we start and some corn seeds that we start. Now, beans do not like nitrogen in their soil. They are going to react and look really funny if there's too much nitrogen. Corn, on the other hand, loves nitrogen, and it'll react if there's not enough nitrogen. So we're going to come down here and we're going to get us some goodies here. Stuff looks really good. Like I said, it's not smelling at all good. This is our full strength. And full strength and half strength and no food at all. And so what we're seeing here, this is our full strength. Yes, full strength. Put a tray on the floor there. I'm going to go ahead and take the soil off of these roots and just take this right here is a nitrogen nodule, and the whiter ones are perlite. So yeah, we do have some nice nodules that are forming on there. Let's see what this guy's doing. This one, oh yeah, there's some nitrogen nodules right there. There's actually quite a few. You can see them all down through here. Okay, and this is no... Whoa, look at the nitrogen nodules there. Just whole bunches of them. So all in all, I think this is a great invention, and it makes a great compost tea without any fuss, no mess, and it doesn't smell. It's a great way to keep the kitchen waste out of our landfills. And everybody, that was in contact with the machine in there, they love putting stuff in. I keep hearing the lid going all day long. And it was super easy for us to get the tea out. So I really love the machine. I want to play with it some more, see what different kinds of brews that I could make in it.